So I picked up this Xbox 360 S today. Ooh, it's scratched up. Damn. Has it ever been opened? Maybe. Anyway, I got this today. It's dirty as all get out. Freaking filthy. The guy said it was cleaned. You can see it's making dirt. Oh god, you can see it falling out of it. Yuck. So the old Xbox didn't work. It's now in a pile. So this thing works fine, but I bet you the thermal paste is just roached and it's full of really gross nasties. So I want to open it up and clean it. So let's do that real quick. Is this the 250? Sure enough, it's a 250. How poopy is it down in there? I mean, it's not that bad. I've seen a lot worse inside of consoles. It's got goobers in there. Yuckies. This is gross. It's like sticky. It's sticking to me. Ugh. I didn't get like a screaming deal on this. I got a fairly decent deal, I would say. I got a 250 gig Trinity with 2 games, a controller, all the cords. Yeah, 90 bucks. Oh my god. Dude. This thing, they said they cleaned this. They said they cleaned this. It's sticky. I had to put gloves on. Oh my god. This is like a full teardown. I'm gonna have to tear down this whole thing's gonna get torn down. Ew. I bet you it's got like bugs in it. Freaking gross. I'm not known for being able to take things apart and get them back together again. I'm usually just like a tear down guy, and then it's gone forever. Because it's broken. So we'll see if I can make this happen. So far it's not too bad, but oh my god, why would they sell this? Like, you know, most of those teardown videos you see, or the restore videos, the guy's like all quiet and patient and stuff. I'm like the exact opposite. I mean, if this doesn't work after I'm done, I did test it, it did work. No one's ever gonna find out about that. I'm not gonna like tell my wife about it. You're never gonna even find out about it if it doesn't work. Okay, I got it. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. She's coming now. Coming around the mountain, if you know what I mean. Ugh. Frick. Gross. Dude. Zoom in on that. See, this is like DK Oldies bad. This is straight up DK Oldies bad. And they put this sticker on here and they're like, this is your receipt. If this is present, then you can return it. And he almost got it on the seam. He almost got it so it would rip. But I'm just going to go for it. And I really don't care. Really don't care. If he wants to fight me on this. Like, look what's coming out of this thing. There's like sticks. Wait a minute. What the hell is that? What is that? Right here. Can you see this? I'm going to have to zoom out. Look at this. This is what just came out of this thing. What is that? What is that? Is that oregano? Is this a drug dealer's console? Oh my god. There could be weeds in here. I don't know, man. I don't know anymore. I don't trust people anymore. That's recreational. Oh, look how cute! Look how cute this little fucker is! Look how cute this little fucker is! What even is this thing? I don't know. It's a US Bizzle? Oh, it's the US Dizzle. Just twist until something breaks. It's really just a compulsion. I can't bring myself. Oh, somebody's been in here. There's no way. Somebody's been in there, you little stinky butt. Who's been in here before? Freaking got it, but man, what a pain. It's a pain in the ass. Ooh. DK Oldies. Oh, God. Okay. Well, it's not that terrible. I mean, it is DK Oldies style. You get this screwdriver if you're wondering on my store. It's a Linus Tech Tips. Actually, no, it's Klein Tools. It's a quality tool. It's not a piece of trash like a Linus Tech Tips. Oh, is that stripped? No way. Rusty. Crusty dusty. Alright. Get this trash out of here. Oh my god. Board's definitely seen some corrosion around here. I mean, it's not awful, but it could have been worse. Alright. Hopefully I didn't lose all that footage. My phone died. Yeah, long story short, I I'm really tired of the stupid woke bullshit. Tried to make an FU. Didn't turn out that well. Oh, that's so much. That's gonna piss somebody off. I don't know. I might need to tone that down just a hair bit. That was a little crazy. Maybe not. Maybe I won't tone it down. Maybe I'll just leave it. That'll really piss somebody off. I guess my main fucking gripe is that the people that they're selling this shit to are people that know better. There's a lot of people out there that know better. They should know better. But they're being taken for a fucking ride. And they should know better. Let's see how that's seated. I just want to see real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, baby. That's plenty. They're being taken for a fucking ride. You know, we got Kingdom Come. Come in my butthole. Oh, come on, you dirty. There we go. It's so weird. It jiggles. It's unnerving, man. We got that terrible ass game, and people think it's the best game ever. And, you know, is anybody talking about it anymore? Not really. It was a flash in the pan. I just don't think it's that good a game. I think people shilled for it. And then when I found out there was gay stuff in it, I was like, not for me. But that's just mean. You don't have to do the gay stuff. It's optional. You know what? I don't want it in my video game. Call me crazy. I just don't want the shit in my game. I hear enough of this shit in daily life from dumbasses. You know what I mean? I guess not. I guess nobody knows what I mean. Let's do this. And then this kind of has to do that number. And then squish down a little bit. It's not in the right spot. There we go. There we go. It's seated in there good. All right. And like I said, I just don't think people just don't have morals or ethics anymore. They don't care what slop they're getting. As long as they get their slop. As long as they... I need my slop to survive. You know? I need to feed the billion-dollar corporation because they have my best interest at heart. And like I said, if the people don't have religion, they fill that God-shaped hole with consumerism. There's so many people that like worship dogs and shit. It's like talk to somebody about animal training and tell them that you smack your dog on the nose with a newspaper every now and then. See what they'll do. Like, oh, no, you cannot hit Fluffy. You can't hit Fluffy. Like, stop worshiping a fucking dog, please. Stop it. Stop worshiping fucking animals. They are animals. Okay. Worshipping fucking animals. People do it. People do it. They do it all the time. Not as clean as I want it to be. I mean, when you look at Assassin's Creed, the new one, Shadow, arguably the worst part of the game is the gay black samurai. Because they just had to have somebody gay and black involved with the game. The shit they shoehorned in for no damn reason besides their woke agenda, their liberal mind virus. The shit they put in that just makes no sense to be there in the first place. That's the arguably worst part of the game. If it was just the Japanese chick assassin and just a very mediocre game experience, no one else would care. I wouldn't care. It'd just be like every other bullshit title that's coming out right now. I mean, we've already got really good assassin style games set in Japan. You guys remember Tenchu Wrath of Heaven? That was a really good game. Why do we have to like reinvent the wheel so many times? For the sake of consumerism, I guess. We gotta feed the machine. Feed it. That's why you get all these dumbasses defending these billion-dollar corporations. I really liked that new Star Wars. It was good. It was good. There's people, they have my best interest at heart. Realize what you're saying. They don't care about you. They don't care about you at all. They want you to shut up and buy their product. And that's exactly what you're doing. But beyond that, you're shilling for it on the internet. You're selling your soul for the bullshit that doesn't matter, that no one cares about. And in 10 years, it'll be completely irrelevant. No one will care about Assassin's Creed Ass Blast Edition. And that's really what it should be called. Assassin's Creed Ass Blast Edition. That's pretty good. Does it spin freely? I think we're good. I probably should have sprayed some lubricant inside there, but I don't have the right lubricant, so I'm not going to risk it. Assassin's Creed Ass Blast. Get in there. Get in there. This is the sucky part about trying to film and work at the same time. An easy task becomes a pain because I've got a camera in the proper viewing angle. Alright, get this in there. SATA plugged in, or SATA. You say it wrong. Assassin's Creed Ass Blast Edition. Gay and black ass blasting. Whoops. Canceled. That feels sturdy. We don't want jiggling. Look how much cleaner that is, though, compared to what it was before. Hopefully I didn't lose all that footage. I just had to come in here real quick and say I was riffing really hard. I had some really funny jokes. It was about Disney World or Land or whichever one, and how these motherfuckers are coming in and they're like, I have to go back to Disneyland because my lightsaber I got the first time wasn't the color I wanted. So I have to come back to get the lightsaber that I wanted. You know, the line of thought I had, but in that 50-minute block that I lost because my cell phone died, I had some really good stuff in there and I feel like it's just gone. So I got to add it back in somehow. But, yeah, that's one of them. I was like the lightsaber thing and how these fucking woke mind virus idiots are filling that God-shaped hole in their life with Star Wars and lightsabers. And then, I don't know, I kind of lost the script when it came to like the woke game stuff, but like Kingdom Come Deliverance, how shitty all that politics and crap that they threw into it for no fucking reason, and everybody that's like, well, yeah, the gay stuff's optional. Well, of course it's optional. It's because no one's talking about the gay stuff because they made it so fucking inconsequential. It shouldn't have been there in the first place. It's just to rile people up and whatever. And like I said, nobody's talking about the game right now. No, it's whatever. It's probably a decent enough game, but and then you got Assassin's Creed where it's like just add a gay black dude in there. Oh boy, Last Samurai. Anyway, that's what I did. That's what I was talking about. Just people pissing me off, and like family and friends and like people that I thought were like pretty decent human beings are turning out to be like woke as fuck and lefty. Like, wow, man, it's just so weird. So weird the way people you think are like really conservative, solid people, and then they're just like, you know what, I'll buy this video game even though it's got gay stuff in it because I just like games and I don't like the politics. I'm apolitical about it. It's like, well, you bought the game, so you're rewarding bad behavior. If you don't think it's not bad behavior, if you think it's not bad behavior, then whatever, just own it. Just say you like gay stuff and you don't care about gay stuff in your games. And I get that. Like if that's the way you want to do things, but a lot of people they're not framing the argument like that. They're basically framing the argument like anybody who's conservative that has Christian values that doesn't want gay stuff in their games is an idiot, bigot, and we're the problem. But what I'm saying is like own that shit. Own it. If you want gay stuff in your game, then own it. But I'm not going to reward oh God, my throat fucking hurts. I'm not going to reward throwing dumb shit into my games that I don't want it to be there. And on top of that, I think of things from my values. And, you know, one day my kids are going to be old enough to look through my game collection and be like, wow, dad's into some gay stuff. You know, like, do I want my kids to think that's normal? Do I want to normalize that behavior? Absolutely not. And I know guys that have kids that are buying these games. So they're basically saying to their kids, yeah, this is okay. This is okay for you to, you know, play Ass Blaster, play Kingdom Come in my ass, and Assassin's Creed Ass Blast Edition. Anyway, just thought I'd add that. Crack a cold one open for you, boy. I just realized I opened that can right over top of this electronic device. Wrong way. Ooh, this is dirty, man. I wiped it, but looks good enough. There we go. That looks good. Boom, 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 boom. Ding, 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 ding. I liked my joke about this screwdriver set. Like, you can get this on LinusTechTipsTrashTools.com. Oh man. Ooh, that didn't feel right. I don't know. Is it right? Is it in there? We'll find out. Oh well. Send her home. There. Knowing my luck, I get us all back together. I'm gonna test this before I, get too far along. Check this out. I don't know if this was lost to you, but this turned out pretty clean. Pretty clean, if you know what I mean. Here's my warranty sticker. He almost got it on the edge. Oh no. Look how clean that looks now. I think the problem is there's just so many people that are just out there waiting for their slop that, it is what it is, man. You got people that just don't have anything in their lives, so they just buy the new thing every single time, regardless of whether it's good or not. Or whether they need it or not, because they just gotta have the new thing. I gotta be relevant. I gotta have the new thing, or no one will like me. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, look at me. I play PlayStation 2. That's like, I like really bad games. I don't like anything modern generally, because it's all the same slop. It all came out before. Been in this business, I shouldn't say business, been in this hobby a long time, and a lot of it's just rinse and repeat. It's the same shit sold to you time and time again. Don't like the way that fits on there, but oh well. There we go. Got it. It wasn't so bad. Foreshadowing. I can't wait when I'm editing this. Ooh. Hold on. I could take it apart and do it the right way. Fuck that. Look at that. Look at that shit. This guy's going on. Okay. Nice. What the fuck? Ah. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Where's my hard drive? Oh god. Did I lose the hard drive? Oh, there she be. Hard drive. Time for the grill. This is the one with the split 2-piece arrangement. So you can access the hard drive door thingy. Not too shabby. This side we need to get the little dongle in there. Let's see if we can get that on camera for you, huh? Dongle goes down in. And then put the screw in. Over tighten it, twist it, and snap it. Okay. Then I would assume this goes like this because we want to be able to have airflow. Look at that. Wow. 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 And this guy doesn't line up. Which way does it go? Which way are the other ones going? I would assume they want them the same direction. Or it might only go one direction. Look at that. She's back together. I did a thing and it actually went back together. And that I'll just put a little bit of glue on there. They'll never know the difference if this doesn't work. Alright, let's plug it in and find out how she does. Man, I guess this is really the moment of truth that decides whether this is going on the internet or not. You know what I mean? There's a point in every video where you flip the switch and you see whether this is going to end up on YouTube. Turns on. Do I have a signal? And you see that she works. Let's see if I can get a battery. A couple of batteries in this mother trucker. This is the controller they gave me for the console. It was a bundle deal. Doesn't have a matching color door thingy. Does it work? Nice. Let's see if it syncs up. There we go. Oh my gosh. It's working. Let's open the disc tray. Oh, so fast. So fast. I think it's time for the game. See if it works. Two worlds, baby. Turn up the volume. I got this really shitty TV for free. One of my customers was like, "Hey, will you take care of this trash for me?" And I was like, "The TV?" She's like, "Yeah, I don't want this TV." I was like, "I'll take it." So I took it home. It's a really good little TV.
The death of Ozymandias.
Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, B button really sucks on this controller. Did you hear that crack? I might be buying a new controller, but it's working. The soundtrack goes harder than it ever has the right to on this song, on this intro. I'm gonna let it roll for a little bit.
I stand before the altar.
Alright. Well, it works. Now to edit this all down into a video. Later.